Today's adventure with Miss Behaven is how to blanch sweet peppers. We got lots of sweet peppers to harvest. This is a California blend. It creates it's a green sweet pepper, but it just creates a variety that is not only green, but it also comes in a white and a black color. Make some good green pepper soup out of this. Now let's get started with how to freeze green peppers. And we're doing it in strips. And we are going to use the blanching method because we are going to be cooking these afterwards when we use them. If you were going to just use them uncooked later, you could just put these directly into the freezer and wouldn't have to blanch them. The blanching process eliminates the enzymes and the bacteria that can build up in it. So what we're going to do is we're going to dump all of our sliced sweet peppers into boiling water. We had quite a few of them left over from our third harvest. And when this comes back up to a boil, we're going to time it for 2 minutes to blanch it. And then we're going to take them out and put them in a cold bath, which is just ice and water, and cool them for 2 minutes. And then we'll take them and pat them dry with a paper towel, and then we'll put them in the freezer bags. So once this gets up and running, we're going to blanch this for 2 minutes. Once it starts to boil, and then we'll put it in the ice bath. We'll be back as soon as it starts to boil, and 2 minutes are almost over. Okay, so here we are at the end of our 2-minute blanching. And we're going to take them out and put them into the cold bath. And the cold bath will keep them from continuing to cook. So it cools them down, and then we'll pull them out of the cold bath, pat them down with a towel, and put them in individual Ziploc bags. And we'll do that for 2 minutes, the cold bath. Okay, our 2 minutes are up in the cold bath, and we're going to transfer these into the colander. Just strain them, get some of the water off. Let these drain out pretty good. Now we're gonna put them on a paper towel and just pat them down a little bit so that we don't have so much ice and water build up when we freeze them. And we'll just let them dry a little bit, and then we'll put them in Ziploc bags. Easy as that. So now we got to label our Ziploc bags. And label them sweet peppers. And it's October of 2019. Then we'll start adding into the bags. And what I'm going to use these for is green pepper soup. So I'm going to put whatever I need into a bag to make one pot of soup. So I'm going to fill this bag pretty good because we like a lot of peppers in our soup. Nice big bag full. Then we're going to close it partially and then mush the air out. And it's all ready for the freezer. And then we'll finish the rest of them, and that's as easy as it is. You can pull them out as you need it, throw it right in the soup pot. See you, y'all.